this video, how to check a cabin air filter by a Mazda CX-3. Open the glove box. Push the left side and the right side at the same time together. And the thing comes out. To open, there's a clip, push together, and the thing comes out. Looks not bad. That's fine. It's okay. And back in. And back. Push together. And it's in. Perfect. Thanks for watching. See you next time.